I'm Brad Bisnett with Cole Publishing, and I'm chatting with Dave from General Pipe Cleaners. Dave, you guys have another new product here. What are we talking about?
Well, it's a PD25. This is an interesting little device. It's economical, and for those people that actually like to either use their hand as an exercise machine or be able to take the handle off and attach a drill. A lot of people have a favorite cordless drill that they like to use. They like to use battery platforms and things like that, and it's convenient. Just sort of stick this on here and just use it. And what the advantage is, there are a lot of cordless devices out there, but none that come with our cable and with a drum engineered for our cable so that you can actually do a professional job down the drain. So convenience plus professional power.
And it works with any cordless drill.
Oh yeah, any cordless drill that your favorite, whatever you want to use, just put it on here. And it has the same power feed that we have on our best-selling Power V device. Okay, this thing actually does really, really well. It's very popular. The same power feed on here with the same cable, same size drum. So this will actually bring up your cordless device to another level. So,
awesome.
Yeah.
Excellent. And so it's affordable. Cost effective.
Oh yeah.
Easy to use.
Aside from that, yeah. And the other thing is we can do a drop test on this. I mean, you can drop this thing and it actually will hold up through years of use. So it's a good, durable, effective machine. Allows you to use your favorite power platform and does a great job down the drain.
Where can somebody go to find more information about it?
Well, they go to our website, drainbrain.com, or they can call the Drain Brains, our customer service department, at 800-245-6200. They'll fill you in.
Fantastic. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.